I want to go a little bit blonder. Maybe get some extensions in, though I'm a bit worried because my hair's quite fine. And
Have you done extensions before, or
No.
it's your first time?
Yep.
In any kind of extension, as long you're using the minimum, then you're reducing the damage to the minimum possible.
Yep.
Any extensions will have a little bit of pulling on the hair, but when they are a little bit wider, like the tape in, then the pulling is less because you're fixing the tape on a bigger area. So the movement is less, so the breakage on the side of the tape is less.
Yep.
I have two clients there. They both have the individuals, and we're removing them completely because individuals hair extensions takes away 30% of the hair in one round.
Yep.
Which is really bad.
Yeah.
You end up doing extensions around 70-80% of the hair, which is very unhealthy.
Yep.
The tip in, one line and maybe a smaller line at the bottom, 2% of your own hair. So the rest of the hair is free of extension. After we finish, if you felt like you want to gain even more blonde effect from the extensions, we can do that. Extension can come in, give you length, thickness, and even boost the blonde color if you want.
Okay.
Okay? The treatment, what it does, it's gonna seal the hair from outside. So all the fragile hair that breaks over years, that's why your hair never got thick enough.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's gonna start recovering. Because highlight, it strips the top layer out. When it strips it out, the hair becomes fragile, easy to snap and break. So even if you see a regrowth on the top, it doesn't reflect on the end because the speed of breakage is much faster than the speed of regrowth.
Yep.
So hopefully that will help it with a little bit of cutting. That should get you on the right process. We'll fix all this
Yep.
fine damaged ends. We're gonna fix it. We'll cut maybe an inch. Then we'll come back with the minimum amount of taping extension.
Yep.
If you have any other doubts, any questions,
No.
all
No, I
clear?
trust you guys completely.
Okay. Nice to get some volume on now. A
Yeah.
little bit.
That's amazing. It's really, really nice.
Natural
No, it looks really natural.
color. Put your hands.
Yeah, no, it's super sweet.
Because for your job, you need to have a
Yeah.
really sleek ponytails.
Amazing.
So we kept the extensions slightly lighter on the ends to give you that balayage look. Oh, thank you.
guys.
Thank you. You look great.
So good. I can't believe how natural it looks. Like it looks like my hair.
Yes, it looks very natural. That's why I wanted to adjust the haircut a little bit. So now and you will see when you wash it, it buffers out.
It's so long.
Yeah, we didn't show the back.
Oh, I'm so happy. No, oh my gosh.
You can't even tell
Oh my god.
what the extensions
That is
are.
crazy.
Brilliant.
Really good. Thank you so much.
Thank you. You look amazing. Thank you.